Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, just giving you a little news. Just leaving the courthouse in another county, and I just took over this case last night, literally late yesterday afternoon. Client comes in, very upset, indicates that, they have a charge for sale, delivery of cocaine, and that they also have a possession of ecstasy, MDMA. That they spoke with their public defender, that the best case scenario is 6 months of jail with a conviction, lose your driver's license for a year, and be a convicted felon. I took the case, I reached out to the public defender, very nice gentleman, spoke to him at length. He said, hey, I just don't think it's going to get better. Talked about possible motion on the case, but just not a very high likelihood of the motion. Walked into court today. As I walked through the metal detector, deputy kind of whispers to me, your pants are ripped. No, I didn't. I look, and right where my back pocket is, over my rear end, top of my thigh, I have a huge rip, probably about the size of my hand. Well, size of my palm. Embarrassing. I walk upstairs. I introduce myself to the state attorneys because I'm not in this courthouse every day. And I talked to them. I said, hey, is there a way I can resolve this with probation? I don't believe my client has any real history. They look. 2 years, withhold of adjudication, drug offender probation. Client's super happy. I'm happy. And the worst part of it is then I had to say to the judge after he accepted a plea, which is not really the standard in this jurisdiction, hey, by the way, my client's going to test positive for various drugs. Can you have 30 days? Instead of the judge reprimanding and yelling, I said, Judge, she does have a problem. And he goes, I appreciate the honesty. And as such, I'm going to give you 30 days. They'll probably do a baseline test to determine what level of drugs are in your system and what drugs, if anything new shows up, or if those numbers increase, right, when they give you a drug test 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now, then obviously we're going to have a problem and you're facing 20 years in prison. So anyway, my ripped pants, which I thought was bad luck, turned into good luck for my client, because today I really just assumed that I would be restating the case and then begging and pleading based on the police report. My client gave a full confession. I wasn't going to be able to win on a technical argument. It was not a trial case. So I'm taking as an omen my ripped pants with half of my underwear hanging out, turned into a good thing for my client. 2 years of probation, withhold of adjudication. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. That's my day's story.